Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Open your English book, grade 6 English book, unit number 23, The Merchant of Venus, and page number 125, exercise E. Today we will do exercise E. These are the degrees which are given on in your questions. So let's have a look on the rules of these degrees, that whenever you change the adjective into comparative or superlative degrees, what you will do. Comparative degrees actually shows the comparison of two things. So you will use, if you want to change adjective into comparative degree, you will add er at the end of the given adjective. And if you want to change it in superlative degrees, what you will do, if it is one syllable words, you will add est over there. If the adjective is one syllable words, you will add est at the end of the given adjective. Like big is one syllable words, there is nothing with it, so you will write biggest. Old, oldest. Nice, nicest. Young, youngest. Fast, fastest. Cheap, cheapest. These are examples. It shows that how you can change one syllable adjective by putting est at the end of the adjective. Two syllable words ending in y. If words adjective are given with two syllables and its end with y, what you will do, drop the I and add iest. You will drop I at the end, which is given at the end, and you will add iest at the end of the given adjective, like noisy, noisiest. Busy, busiest. Crazy, craziest. Lazy, laziest. Funny, funniest. And dry, driest. So another rule of superlative degree, that two syllables or more. If adjective is given with two syllables or more than two syllables, what you will do when you want to change it in superlative degree, you will, if that is not ending in y, what you will use? You will use most. Don't add est at the end of that adjective which are not ending with y, having two or more syllables. Dangerous, most dangerous. Expensive, most expensive. Comfortable, most comfortable. Humid, most humid. Tired, most tired. Acceptable, most acceptable. So these are the words which are not ending with y and they are having more than two syllables. That's why we add most over here, rather to add est at the end of these adjectives. There are some exceptions. Good, bad, far and fun are adjectives that don't allow the rules when making the comparative form. Like good, it has best. Best is the second superlative form of good. Bad, worst. Far, furthest. And fun, most fun. So these are the rules which describe over here how you can change adjective in comparative and superlative. Let's start our question. Page number 125, exercise E. Following adjectives have been taken from the lesson. Write their comparative and superlative degrees. Okay, positive degrees, then comparative, and then superlative. Comparative degrees are showing the comparison of two things. Number one is great, greater, greatest. As I told you that you will add er at the end of the given adjective, it will be comparative, and you will add est at the end of given adjective, then it will be superlative. Rich, richer, richest. Good, better, best. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Big, bigger, biggest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Sad, sadder, saddest. wrong, more wrong, most wrong. Young, younger, youngest. Old, older, oldest. Angry, angrier, angriest. True, truer, truest. Kind, kinder, kindest. So these are the degrees which are defined over here. Do written practice of these, learn it by heart, and send your practice on our given WhatsApp number. Thank you so much and take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.